So we are starting a new session of our beginner to advanced Forex class. This is going to be a 2 weeks beginner to advanced Forex training where we are going to teach you the basics of Forex and also teach you all you need to do to know how to operate the trading platform, to work with the broker, and what you need to do to take a trade, a buy trade or a sell trade to make profits. We are going to teach you technical analysis, and before the end of the training, we are going to teach you a profitable trading strategy. And guess what? While the training is going on, we are also going to add you to our Signal community where you're going to be taking our profitable trades on your account, your live account, to make profits. So while you are learning, you are also making money or making profit on your account. This is the voice of the Simple Trading Professor. Peace H. is my name, and I have close on a decade of experience in the financial markets. I've taught over 8,000 people how to trade the financial market and helping them make money from the Forex market. If you want to make money in dollars, then you want to learn how to trade Forex and you want to be on this community. What you need to do is click on the link, join the community, and learn what you need to do to be part of the 2 weeks beginner to advanced class. The training starts on Monday, this Monday that's coming. We're starting the training, so you want to be on that training session. So click on the link and learn what you need to do to be part of that training. Join now. Let's help you learn how to trade the financial market.